see about incomplete parthenogenesis. It is found in some animals in which both sexual reproduction as well as parthenogenesis occurs. Got the point? What about incomplete parthenogenesis? Sexual reproduction nadakkum, parthenogenetic mode of reproduction nadakkum. So incomplete parthenogenesis found in some animals in which both sexual reproduction as well as parthenogenesis occurs. Right? Will you be able to understand? Yes. Example, honeybee. See the diagram? Fertilized eggs, zygotes develop into queen and worker bee. See the diagram? Most of us have heard of the importance of genes, how a mother and father each contribute their important element and so on. We accept without question that the mother contributes chromosome from her egg and the father from a sperm. Mother la irundhu varakudiya chromosome, father la irundhu varakudiya chromosome child form agadhukku contribute பண்ணுவாங்க. Right? Much of all the animal kingdom follow the same principle. But that is not in the case of honeybee. Because honeybee show haplodiploid method of sexual determination. Human la pathina male sperm contribute chromosomes as well as female egg contributed chromosome, then it forms young one, right? But that is not case with honeybee. Honeybee show haplodiploid method of sex determination. Haplodiploid is a sex determination mechanism in which males develop from unfertilized egg. See the diagram? It's actually a queen bee. Queen bee produces two types of egg. Fertilized egg, diploid condition. Unfertilized egg, haploid condition. See, unfertilized egg, haploid condition forms male offspring. They are called as drones. Got it? Got it? Haplodiploid is a sex determination mechanism in which males develop from unfertilized egg. Karurada muttai அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Unfertilized eggs and are haploid in nature, single nucleus in nature. Because they develop through the parthenogenetic mechanism. Got it? The phenomenon is known as, this type of phenomenon is known as Herniotoki parthenogenesis. This type of phenomenon is called it as Herniotoki parthenogenesis. And females develop from, what about females? See, female develops from, and females develop from fertilized eggs and are diploid in nature. This mode first discovered by, note a point, this mode first discovered by Johann Zirzen. Johann Zirzen. Johannn. Spelling. Johannn. Johann Zirzen. Dzierzon. Johann Zirzen. Name of the scientist who discovered haplodiploid parthenogenesis. It is not present in your book. Just make a note. In the year of 1845, he discovered this mode of reproduction, Johann Zirzen. In honeybees, sex is normally determined by the fertilization or non-fertilization. Right? Honeybee, what about honeybee? Sex is normally, see the diagram, sex is normally determined by fertilization or non-fertilization of the eggs rather than the presence or absence of sex chromosomes. What about us? Sex chromosomes, XX, it's a female, XY is a male, right? That is a chromosome determination in human. What about the honeybee? Honeybee sex is normally determined by the fertilization or non-fertilization of the eggs, right? Got it? What I am telling? Yes. What about human? Now only I told you that. What about human? We receive 46 chromosomes, 23 from our mother and 23 from our father. Mother கிட்ட இருந்து 23 chromosomes, father கிட்ட இருந்து 23 chromosomes வரும், right? அதனால நம்ம 46 chromosomes இருக்கு, right? With bees, the same basic principle exists but only in female bees. See female bee. Female bee, see. Queen bee. Queen bee produces ova, single and condition. Male or drone produces sperm single end condition. The two single end forms female 2n. அதாவது queen bee கிட்ட இருந்து ஒரு நியூக்ளியஸும் மேல் drawn bee கிட்ட இருந்து ஒரு haploid நியூக்ளியஸும் வந்து fertilization மூலமா female உருவாகும். அந்த female வந்து diploid conditionல இருக்கும். That is female honeybee or queen bee formation. With bees, the same principle follows, but only in female bees follows the human pattern, human principle. Right? Chromosome count 16 chromosome from the queen. See the diagram? 16 chromosome. See the diagram? 16 chromosome from the queen and 16 chromosome from the drone. See your right hand side. 16 chromosome from the queen, totally 32 chromosome from the queen bee, right? Diploid condition. Totally queen bee contain 32 diploid condition. Human we have 46 chromosome. Queen bee contain 32 chromosome. That 32 chromosome undergoes meiosis. At the time of meiosis, it is reduced in the form of gamete formation N16, N16, queen bee. See the queen bee column. Female queen bee 2n condition, 32 chromosome it has. Under the meiosis it become a gamete formation N16 and N16. Got it? 16 chromosome from the queen and 16 chromosome, 16 haploid set of chromosome from the SHS. Without meiosis, that haploid 16 chromosome from the drone. 16 chromosome from the queen and 16 from the sperm of the drone forms a female with 32. Fertilization, after fertilization, see, diploid female. Female with 32 chromosome. Female bee may be a worker or queen bee. Simply சொல்லணும்னா கவனி, இங்க பாரு female queen bee இருக்கு. Female queen bee கிட்ட டோட்டலா 32 chromosomes இருக்கு 2n கண்டிஷன்ல. அத diploid condition சொல்றோம். Meiosis, reduction division மூலமா ரெண்டா gamete formationல 16-16 பிரியும். அப்ப 16-16 பிரியும் பொழுது மேல் drawn கிட்ட haploid condition தான் இருக்கு. அப்ப அதுல meiosis நடக்காது. Mitosis மூலமா sperm produce ஆகுது. அப்படி sperm produce ஆகும்போது N16 ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. Female queen bee கிட்ட இருந்து 16 மேல் drawn bee கிட்ட இருந்து 16 fertilization மூலமா, அதாவது male is equal to egg plus sperm fusion, right? Egg plus sperm fusion. அப்ப fertilization மூலமா diploid female ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. That is 32 condition. இந்த பேசிக் பிரின்சிபல் எப்படி ஃபாலோ ஆகுது? செக்ஷுவல் ரிப்ரொடக்ஷன் மூலமா ஹியூமன்ல நடக்கிற மாதிரி தான் எக்ஸாக்ட்டா. காட் இட்? அப்படி இருந்தா கூட அந்த குயின் பீ வர்க்கர் ஆகும். குயின் பீயா ஆகணும்னு கிடையாது. அந்த ஃபீமேல் பீ குயினாவும் ஆகலாம், வர்க்கர் பீயா ஆகலாம். How do bees make a queen? Right? How do bees make a queen? They keep feeding royal jelly beyond the 3rd day as a larva. The continued feeding of royal jelly, it's a special type of food. The continued feeding of royal jelly stops the development of genes that would be found in worker bee. So royal jelly கொடுத்துட்டே இருக்கும்போது பர்టిక్యులர் பீக்கு கொடுத்துட்டே இருக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த worker beeக்கான அந்த பர்టిక్యులர் ஜீன் வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? ஸ்டாப் ஆயிடும், ஃபார்ம் ஆகிறது. It is the lack of worker gene in a female larvae that results in queen bee. Got it? But it becomes a little strange when we turn to the haploid drawn condition. See, haploid drawn condition. As such as see, female queen bee 2n 32 chromosomes are there. In that, under the meiosis condition, 16 chromosomes are formed. 16 chromosomes are formed. That 16 undergoes parthenogenesis. Then it forms haploid male. A little strange when we turn to the haploid, the drawn. Male bees only include the chromosome from the egg. Once again I repeat, male bees only include the chromosomes from the egg since they have not been fertilized. Drones have just 16 chromosomes, all from the queen. There is no mixture of sperm. Once again I repeat, the haploid drawn male bees only include, see queen bee, totally 32 diploid condition chromosome, it undergoes meiosis. After the reduction division, the N16, the egg with 16 chromosome undergoes parthenogenesis process. Without fertilization, it forms haploid male. Since they have not been fertilized with sperm, drones have just 16 chromosomes, all from the queen. Got it? Yes, will you able to understand? This is haplodiploid mechanism. Right? எதுக்கு நான் இவ்வளோ தூரம் உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன்னா உங்களுக்கு பிரின்சிபல்ஸ் ஆஃப் இன்ஹெரிட்டன்ஸ் லெசனில் சேம் டாபிக் வரும். அதே மாதிரி இதை வந்து ப்ராப்ளம் சால்விங் அப்படின்ற கொஷின்ஸில் நிறைய கேட்பாங்க. தட்ஸ் வாட் ஐ இன்க்ளூடட் லைக் திஸ். ரைட்? எஸ், திஸ் இஸ் அ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின். கிவ் ரீசன்ஸ் ஃபார் த ஃபாலோயிங். The red color highlighted words are question. Some organisms like honeybees are called parthenogenetic animal. Justify. We know the answer, right? The organism produced without fertilization, the egg are called parthenogenetic organism. Without fertilization of the egg are called parthenogenetic organisms. The male honeybees are formed from unfertilized egg. Now only we completed. Then question, next question. A male honeybee has 16 chromosomes. Whereas a female has 32 chromosomes. Male bee 16 chromosomes. Female has 32 chromosomes. Why? Because males develop from unfertilized eggs and are haploid. 16 chromosomes. Female develop fertilized eggs or diploid. That's what it has, 32 chromosomes. If they ask this kind of justify or reason question, means you have to include this flow chart. Along with the flow chart, you have to add up this point. Give reason of the following important question. Yes, listen children. For further explanation, please watch session 2. Thank you children.